Mapecrete System is our system to produce jointless flooring, and today we are here for the first pouring of this new technology in Canada. My name is Gianluca Bianchin. I'm working for MAPEI since 29 years. And I'm a region manager for concrete admixture for Western Europe, and I'm also project manager for our special application like Mapecrete System. Mapecrete System is our system to produce jointless floor, and this can provide an higher planarity to the floor and higher durability for the floor, and at the end a longer service life for the owner and the users of the floor.
Mapecrete System is a very interesting system. It's been developed in Europe originally by MAPEI. It's a system that gives the ability to control volumetric changes in concrete. Volumetric changes are usually the main problem related to concrete, which translate usually in shrinkage and cracking of the concrete. So the Mapecrete System allows the concrete to keep the same volumetric change with time. So this gives a lot of benefits in terms of joint extension, joint cracking, and durability of the slab itself. My name is Yves Brousseau. I'm a civil engineer and I work for MAPEI Concrete Admixture Division. I'm in charge of business development for Eastern Canada. Mapecrete System is a very interesting system for the slabs. You have no joints, so you have no deterioration at joints. You have no curling problems, which is one of the major problems that you find usually with concrete slab. You have a better load transfer, which means that you can either tolerate more weight or loads on the slab or reduce the slab thickness for the same weight. So structurally, this is a very interesting system.
The type of applications for Mapecrete System are very diversified. Commercial, industrial slabs, you can use this system to improve the durability and the performance of the slab itself. But there are many other type of structures. We can think about civil applications like bridges, containment structures for wastewater treatment plant. It can be also for parking structures where you want to improve the durability, minimize the cracking, the corrosion of the steel. So this type of concrete that minimizes the cracking of the slab has different applications, interesting applications in the industry.
Mapecrete System relies on the use of 5 specific products. Hi, my name is Martin Vachon. I'm R&D responsible for MAPEI Canada. The first product is called Dynamon EZ75. This is a mid-range water reducer specifically designed for facilitating the finishing operation of the slabs. The second product is Dynamon SX. This is a super plasticizer that we use to increase the concrete plasticity and accelerate the placement operations. Then we have 2 products that we use in combinations, Mapecure SRA27 and Xpancrete. So Mapecure SRA27 is a shrinkage-reducing agent, Xpancrete is a shrinkage-compensating agent. And both products work together in order to reduce the shrinkage. And finally, we use a synthetic macrofiber called MAPEI ST42, and the fiber is used to ensure the structural integrity of the concrete slab and make sure that no crack will occur during usage of the slab. We ensure the quality of the system by first working with the concrete producer and making sure that from the mix design standpoint, product selection standpoint, and dosages, that we work together with the goal of having the proper mix design at the end. We then work again with the concrete producer at his batching plan to optimize the mixing sequence, again with the aim of having the right fresh concrete property when it gets on site. And thirdly, with all jobs, we'll do a mock-up pour to ensure that the finishing operation and that the end result is in line with what we're expecting.
Our Mapecrete system, born between 2002 and 2003, thanks to the work of our R&D department. We started with job site with real application in 2006, and since we placed more or less 10 million square meters of jointless floor. With this application, we have a very long track record of success because in all our application we never had problem. And for us, this is something really special, something to be proud of.
On vient de terminer la première coulée, ça a super bien été. Là, on déplace les équipements pour pouvoir commencer la deuxième. Après ça, c'est les mêmes combattants qui vont rester pour faire la deuxième dalle, faire la finition. Ils vont finir tard, mais c'est pas grave, ils vont voir le sourire. Demain matin, sur les deux dalles, il va y avoir une queue humide qui va être là pour 7 jours pour assurer la fermeté du béton.
Au niveau construction, le Mapecrete est très similaire. L'application, la mise en place est pas mal la même. La seule contrainte que nous avons, c'est la superficie. On ne peut pas arrêter une coulée en plein milieu, comme du béton conventionnel. On peut couler des dalles de 20 000 pieds carrés. Généralement, les traités sont effectués aux 15 pieds centre-centre. Et ici, pour le projet de MAPEI, on a des dalles jusqu'à 7 000 pieds carrés sans joint. On réduit à peu près de 4 fois le nombre de joints par rapport à un système conventionnel. La dalle type Mapecrete, on le conseille surtout dans les industriels agroalimentaires ou aéroportuaires, ou même dans les industries où il pourrait avoir des contaminants pour le sol. Au niveau de l'agroalimentaire, c'est qu'il y a un traitement des joints qui est effectué de façon rigoureuse. Puis avec le système Mapecrete, ça diminue la quantité de joints, donc ça évite le profilement de bactéries à l'intérieur des joints.
Bon, ben on y va?
Oui, on vous suit.
On suit, c'est bon.
Pour la mise en œuvre du béton, on a eu beaucoup de rencontres de coordination avec les ingénieurs internes de MAPEI, recherche et développement, pour être sûr que la coordination soit impeccable lors de la mise en œuvre. Pour nos clients, la façon qu'on pourrait vendre le système Mapecrete, c'est de leur mentionner que le coût d'entretien peut être réduit grandement. Oui, il est plus dispendieux à la base, mais à long terme, il devient plus économique. En ce moment, ici en Amérique du Nord, on est les premiers à faire la mise en place de ce type de béton-là. On est très fiers d'avoir été sélectionnés par MAPEI pour réaliser ce projet-là.